Welcome, aspiring YouTubers and digital entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube monetization. With over 2 billion users and 5 billion videos watched daily, YouTube offers incredible opportunities for those looking to turn their passion into profit. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore various strategies to help you make money on this platform and build a successful YouTube career. YouTube Basics. Before we jump into monetization strategies, let's cover some YouTube basics. Content guidelines. Remember, YouTube is a family-friendly platform. Keep your content clean and appropriate for all audiences. This doesn't mean you can't be creative or humorous, but avoid profanity, sexual content, or violence. Channel growth. Focus on growing your channel by creating quality, engaging content that appeals to your target audience. As your subscriber base grows, so will your monetization opportunities. Consistency. Regular uploads are crucial. Aim for at least one video per week to keep your audience engaged and attract new viewers. Quality. Invest in good equipment. Clear audio and video quality can make a huge difference in viewer retention. Creating compelling content. Content is king on YouTube. Here's how to create videos that stand out. Know your niche. Identify your area of expertise or passion. Whether it's cooking, gaming, tech reviews, or lifestyle vlogs, focus on what you know and love. Plan your content. Before hitting record, plan your video structure. Create an outline or script to ensure your content flows well and covers all key points. Engage your audience. Start strong to grab attention in the first few seconds. Use storytelling techniques, ask questions, or present a problem you'll solve in the video. Be authentic. Viewers appreciate genuineness. Let your personality shine through in your videos. Call to action. Always include a call to action, like asking viewers to subscribe, comment, or check out your other videos. Optimizing your videos. Optimization is crucial for discoverability and engagement. Titles and thumbnails. Create compelling, click-worthy titles and custom thumbnails that accurately represent your content. Keywords and tags. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve searchability. Descriptions. Write detailed descriptions with timestamps for longer videos. Include links to your social media and any products or resources mentioned. End screens and cards. Use these features to promote your other videos or playlists, encouraging viewers to watch more of your content. Closed captions. Add accurate closed captions to make your videos accessible and improve SEO. Building your audience. Growing your audience is essential for monetization. Engage with your community. Respond to comments and create community posts to build a connection with your viewers. Collaborate. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche for cross-promotion and to reach new audiences. Cross-platform promotion. Share your videos on other social media platforms to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Consistency and branding. Maintain a consistent look and feel across your channel and other platforms to build brand recognition. Monetization strategies. Now, let's explore various ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Google AdSense, the most common method, allowing you to earn money from ads placed on your videos. Channel memberships offer exclusive perks to paying members, like special badges, custom emojis, or exclusive content. Super Chat and Super Stickers. During live streams, viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted. Merchandise shelf. Sell branded merchandise directly through your YouTube channel. Sponsorships and brand deals. Partner with companies to promote their products or services in your videos. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products through affiliate links in your video descriptions. Crowdfunding. Use platforms like Patreon to allow fans to support your channel directly. Digital products. Create and sell your own digital products like ebooks or online courses related to your niche. Tips for long-term success. To build a sustainable YouTube career. Stay updated. Keep up with YouTube's policies and algorithm changes to adapt your strategy accordingly. Diversify your content. Experiment with different types of videos to see what resonates best with your audience. Analyze your performance. Regularly check your YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. Network. Attend YouTube events or creator workshops to learn from others and make valuable connections. Continuous learning. Always strive to improve your video making skills, whether it's better editing, improved lighting, or enhanced storytelling. Dealing with challenges. The YouTube journey isn't always smooth. Here's how to handle common challenges. Burnout. Pace yourself and create a content calendar to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Negative comments. Develop a thick skin and learn to differentiate between constructive criticism and trolls. Algorithm changes. Stay flexible and focus on creating quality content rather than trying to game the system. Competition. Instead of viewing others as competition, look for collaboration opportunities and focus on your unique value proposition. Conclusion. Making money on YouTube can be incredibly rewarding, but it requires dedication, creativity, and hard work. Use these strategies as a foundation to start your YouTube journey. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, consistent, and always focus on providing value to your audience. With persistence and quality content, you can build a successful channel and turn your passion into profit. Are you ready to take the first step? Let's make your YouTube dreams a reality.